Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change fonts on Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you want to change your default font on Samsung, then this is what you need to do. First, go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on display. Scroll down display, and then click on font size and style. Go ahead and click on font style. Now to change your font on your Samsung phone, go ahead and select your choice of font here, and this is going to change the font from the default to your preferred fonts. So this is the default font. Once you click on font style, then select the font you want to use. Then you should see the font change to this. And if you want to download another font of your choice, once you click on font style, scroll down, click on download font. And now go ahead, connect to your Samsung phone to the internet and search for the font you want to download. And then install the font. Once you've installed the font, go ahead and select the font from the list of font styles available. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to change font in Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.